shit.
How am I supposed to hold this?
Get out.
Shake it. Just shake it. Oh shit.
Oh, it didn't even work.
Oh shit. No, don't put the cups there. I want to see it explode. Throw it at the ground. Throw it at the ground.
No. Give me some first.
Damn.
Damn.
What was the point of that?
I don't know. We just wasted like a lot of money.
You're so dumb.
We are. It's not me. Oh shit, that was sick. I didn't get that on videotape.
Oh.
Do it again. Do it again.
Alright.
Ryan's gonna ruin it.
Go.
Go.
Oh, it didn't work.
Yeah, 'cause you broke the top. Oh shit, it's coming. Alright, that's it.
Alright, I got it.
You think we can drink out of it? You think it's safe to drink out of? Is it safe to drink out of? Shit, my pack up. Alright, it's like 5 o'clock. We're okay. Alright, I think we need a little pick-me-up. You know, I'm kind of jittery and stuff 'cause it's like 5 o'clock. Oh shit. I want to chuck it. Like at the ground.
Alright,
Here, I got it. I got that one. Oh, you did all the others. You did all the others, Donnie. Oh, it didn't work. I had to hold the camera and do it.
Here, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Good. Yeah, we just wasted so much money on this. This is a whole 2-liter bottle of Mountain Dew. What are you talking about? It cost $1.
That worked. I'm saying about 10.
Oh my god, I'm so jittery.
That one was sick.
I want to egg someone's house so bad. But it's already like 5 o'clock, so it won't be as good. People are already driving and stuff.
Too empty.
What are we going to do with this? What do we got to do with this? Guess we'll put it in her garbage can.